Yes.
Today we're gonna make pancakes.
True that.
And we need to use this Margrethe-skål, 2 chicken eggs, not other kinds of eggs. Okay. Oh yeah, that was great. Then we need some milk. Bam! Then we take some baking soda.
Så begynder at piske det.
You pisk.
Okay.
Not that. Use that.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we are ready to make pancakes. Now I have all of it. Oh.
Ja, sådan.
Can you hear the sound? That's enough.
Yes. Kan I smage det godt?
No. Det er bare fedt stof, der brænder ned i mine hænder. Det skal I ikke tænke over.
Nå, ja. Jeg vil tabe det.
Goodbye.